Hey there, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all doing great. Today I've come to Uttora Diavari Raju project with my madam. By madam, I mean the person whom I work for. Actually, my madam's niece lives here, so I often bring her here to visit. The area is quite famous. People from different parts of Dhaka often come here to hang out and enjoy the peaceful environment. If you have been here before, you will easily recognize the place. Personally, I really enjoy coming here. It feels very refreshing. The buildings here are built in nice rows and they look very beautiful. Inside the project, there are several playgrounds where children play, especially in the afternoon. The roads are wide, clean, and very organized, which makes the place even more attractive. However, look at the buildings from far away. It might seem like they're standing very close to each other, but once you come inside, you will see there is a plenty of space between the buildings. Since I'm a driver, I often have to travel many places around Dhaka. So I know the place of Dhaka quite well. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.